And hello, and welcome to Learn a Trade. I am Kevin Tate, and today I'm on another Slurpee call. This is on a 4-barrel Slurpee. The call came in for the Coke flavor, which is here on barrel 2, and the Mountain Dew flavor, which is here on barrel 3. Right now, they seem to be frozen down, but what the customer is saying is that the product will release for a short time and then it'll stop. You see how it's kind of slowing down, it's not coming out with much force, and then it doesn't close correctly. So that's telling me that there's a issue within this faceplate here. This mechanism of the faceplate is probably in need for replacement. And then the Mountain Dew seems to be coming out okay. So I'm gonna have to defrost these barrels, and then I'll go in and see if I can check them out. It might be a brix issue. This unit is a 700 series, so let me just show you real quick how to go into the menu. So the menu basically looks like this at first, and then you want to go into barrel 2, and then go ahead and press the green button. Scroll down that pop-up menu, go to defrost, and then we'll press the green button to activate the defrost. And then we're going to go down to barrel number 3, which is the Mountain Dew, and then press the green button. Scroll down that pop-up menu, and then press defrost on 3. So then we're going to go ahead and let those defrost, and then I'm going to check this out, and we may have to order them a new faceplate for this, and then this one remains to be seen because it really doesn't seem to be a issue right now. So there's really not much I can do if I don't find anything. But just stand by, and then we'll see if we can check that out. Okay, so this is what I'm seeing here. See how this product is so thick and frozen? This is telling me that what's happening is it's possible that the brix level is off on the Coke and it's over freezing because look at the faceplate. This is the faceplate that I took off, and you can see where it's freezing up right in here, and that could cause it to block up this nozzle assembly, which is probably what is causing the whole issue. So I'm going to get these barrels emptied out and then check the brix on them, and then from there I should be able to um, make a repair. I'm gonna check out the seals on this faceplate assembly and make sure those seals are not damaged, and put it back on and see what we get. Okay, so I removed that faceplate that was on the Mountain Dew flavor, and as you can see how frozen up it got in there. That's like pretty much frozen solid right over the nozzle port. So, and I did check the brix level on this, and it was off. It's set way too high. So I'm gonna have to adjust those brix levels and then try and get it where there's a better consistency to this. It shouldn't it shouldn't freeze up like that in there, and that's what's causing these nozzles not to work properly. You can see that's the product that I pulled out of the Coke and the Mountain Dew, and some of it is still frozen. So that's, letting you know, that lets you know that the product mixture is off. So I definitely have to do an adjustment on the brix level to get the mixture right. And then once I got that done, I'm going to go through and re-lubricate these seals on the face plates, and then put them back on and see what we get. Okay, so now I have this, I've cleaned up these face plates, and just going to go ahead and allow this barrel, this is the Coke barrel, I'm going to go ahead and let these barrels fill and freeze, and then start dispensing some product from them. They should be fine now. They're all cleaned up and lubed. So I'm going to let these finish filling, and then we'll check it out. Okay, so I have everything back together again, and everything's in place. The two barrels are freezing down. It's Mountain Dew and the Coke. I'm just going to go ahead and let those finish freezing, and just to make sure that the consistency looks good. Looks a little better than it was before. And then I wanted to show you down here, because this is a 4-barrel Slurpee machine, FBD, but it's the 700 series. So I wanted to show you, instead of having the valves, these are the solenoid valves, spins valves and stuff, and the transducers. Everything is down here below. Even the water pump. Everything's down here below, as opposed to being up top with the 5 series, 55 series, and 600 series. This is a lot better. So it's a little better access to get to it. And if you look on these valves, this is their sample tube, and you would open up your sample tube to get a sample that you could do the bricks on. So that's how it looks right there. So that just opens up right there, and then you shut it after you get your sample out. And you want to make sure too to go ahead and drain out these tubes, these sample tubes, so there's not just old syrup sitting in those. But I wanted to show you guys that, and it looks like these are starting to freeze down. So I'm going to go ahead and let those finish up and see what we got. All right. All the barrels are leaving, but they're ready. I'm going to try out the Coke first. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's coming out better. Try the Mountain Dew. Yeah, that's a lot better. So that's looking a lot better. Basically, this seemed to be an issue with the brix levels being off, and the syrup, the product inside the face plates is freezing up a little too hard. and it was causing a clog in this area here because it would form like a block of ice right over it, and then that would cause this nozzle not to dispense correctly. So it looks like we're going to be all set on this. Again, this is a FBD 4-barrel machine. It has been repaired. This is a 774 series unit, and it should be all set. I hope this was helpful to you all, and let me know in comments any questions or comments or anything like that. I appreciate you all watching. That's all I have for now. Take care and stay blessed.